As you can see, 4 pads appeared on the emulator screen and they're placed nearly perfectly. Well, let's paste the colors of the other pads accordingly. Let's do the red one first, followed by the purple one, and we can restart the app. Looks cool. We need to copy all these 4 lines now and paste them a few times till the whole screen is filled up. Now let's reformat it. And you can see that our Launchpad is almost ready. We just need to do something with the spacing of the pads. Let's add the spacing property in the Wrap widget then, and give it a value of 6. Inside the Run spacing, we can put the same value. Now the app looks really amazing and the spacing is perfect. The next part, which we are gonna focus on, is how to make the app responsive. This means that the app should fit well in different device sizes. Otherwise, we might get undesirable results like this one here. So now, let's find out what the device's height and width are. We can do it very fast. Let's start by declaring a variable called width. In order to get the widget, we need to write media query.off. Let's keep the context and after another dot, write size.width. And just like this, we're going to get its height inside the height variable. Now, instead of 100, let's put here the height variable and divide it by 8.2. So basically what it does is that it takes the height of the screen and divides it by 8.2. I've come to the conclusion that 8.2 is the best choice after trying a lot of numbers, and you might need to do something similar in your future job. Here, I'm going to put the width and divide it by 4.3. Let's reload the app now. And it's going to fit in most of the devices. Let's go ahead and wrap the scaffold widget with Safe Area. Basically, Safe Area is a widget that inserts its child, which in our case is the scaffold, by sufficient padding to avoid intrusions by the device system. For example, it will add enough space to the child in order to avoid the status bar at the top of the screen. It will also move the child by the amount necessary to avoid the notch or the bottom navigation bar. You can apply the Safe Area in most of the widgets, so you can start being creative with it. The only thing that's left for us to do is to put different sounds in all of these pads. Let's go ahead and keep on naming them. I guess you've already noticed that some of the files have a different extension like .wav rather than .mp3. So let's change them accordingly. Now let me restart the app and you can see that it looks really cool. Let me play some random music. I mean noise, as I'm not a very good musician. Pretty cool, right? Let's wrap the Wrap widget with the Center widget now. And let's run it on Chrome to see how it looks. Let's wait a while for it to run. Cool! However, you can observe that the name of the web app that shows in the tab doesn't look good. So to change it, tap into the title property of the material widget and write the name of our application, that is Launchpad. Let's reload it. And as you can see, the name has changed. We're gonna change the name of the Android and iOS app too. So let's head over to Pubsbic file. And as you may have noticed, I have already added the Flutter app name package here. And the name we want to change it to is already in quotes. Now, we just need to run the package to update the name. So run pubget, then open the terminal and run flutter pub run flutter app name. And that's it. The name of the app has changed. Finally, I'm gonna run the app in release mode to check if everything works fine or not. Let's wait for the app to load. And it works perfectly. Congratulations and see you in the next module.